We're nights that's right, smarts and strength and guts in might. We never ever rude, always polite. Our nightly skills are out of sight. We're nights that's right. We're nights that's right. Dragon hiccups. Here you go, dragon. Dragon, I don't think you should eat that fast. Nope. You should. You could get the dragon. You can get the dreadful dragon hiccups. Wow. Yup, the dreadful dragon hiccups. Uh-oh. I think he has the dreadful dragon hiccups. Well, how can we cure the dreadful dragon hiccups? Okay, where's that noise coming from? Whoa! Whoa! What was that? What was that? I don't know. Whoa! We better get out of the castle. Yeah. Mighty Knights. Yes, Your Majesty. What is this? What is this all about? Oh, well, Dragon has the dreadful dragon hiccups. The dreadful dragon hiccups. Well, how can we cure the dreadful dragon hiccups? Seriously, where is that noise coming from? Well, the only way to cure the dreadful dragon hiccups, is to get a special plant that hides deep in the forest. Well, your job is Mighty Knights. I think your task is to cure the dreadful dragon hiccups. Yep, we're on it. We're going to cure the dreadful dragon hiccups. Oh, seriously? I said it's quieter this time. Come on, Sir Tyrone. 2 horse. Yes, 2 horse, Sir Knight Nicola. Good luck, Mighty Knights. And hurry. Dragon, you wanna come with us? Well, you do have to eat the plant fast. Eat the special plant fast to cure it. Sure, why not? The king gave us a challenge in which we cannot fail. We have to pass the challenge. We must prevail. We must prevail the challenge, or else it will be bad. Because the dragon will keep getting hiccups, and it will not end. It will end very bad. We're knights, that's right. With smarts and strength and guts and might. Never ever rude, always polite. Our knightly skills are out of sight. We're knights, that's right. We're knights, that's right. Come on. Come on. Quit. Hey, Sir Tyrone. Where in the... What are we actually looking for? Well, we're looking for something to cure the dreadful dragon. You know. You know. Come on. But what kind of plant is it? Where? Well, it's a hiccup curing plant known as the purple lotus cumbersome flower. Purple lotus cumbersome flower. Well, we better get cooked. Well, we better get searching. Beautiful flowers. Beautiful flowers. The Flighty Fairy. Maybe she's seen the flower that we're searching for. Hey, Flighty Fairy. Hey, Flighty Fairy. Yes. Yes, mighty nice. And hello to you too, dragon. Oh, the flowers. Tweedledee, tweedledee-doo. Oh, tweedledee, tweedledee-doo. Oh, tweedledee, tweedledee-doo. Let's go. Get the flowers out of the views. That's better. Flighty Fairy, we come and search for the purple cumbersome flower. The purple cumbersome flower. I don't think I've heard of it, but I did see purple flowers that way. Thanks. Thanks. Come on, now, Uniqua. Come on, dragon. Wait. Yeah? Why are you looking for a flower anyway? Dragon hiccups. Well, I can come. Sure. Why not? You can show us exactly where you found the flowers. Oh yes, this way. Follow that fairy. Over here. Perfect. Now we just have to get a dragon to eat a flower. Wait. The flowers must be picked first. Right. Here you go, dragon. Hopefully it scares your dragon hiccups. Uh-oh. Looks like he's gonna hiccup again. Quick, get inside his mouth. Yay! Okay, the hiccups have been cured. The hiccups have been cured. Come on. Good. I think hopefully they too bad they don't work on humans. Oh boy.